G'day folks, it's your boy Greg Nash back again with another edition of Power BI release day, 5 days late, 2020. We are here for November. This November 2020 features summary for all of the things now. We don't just do desktop anymore, it's everything. So this should be good. What does it say in little blurb here? Anomaly detection detects there's an anomaly this month. Ooh, that's cool. We also announced a preview of the new field list and model view. Oh yeah, I saw that in my thing. I clicked it on. Visual zoom slider. Ooh, visual zoom slider. Don't even know what that is. In the service, endorsements for data sets and data flows. Yes, to reports and apps. Okay, great. Enabling business users to be confident they're making the decision based on the right data. Good idea. Read on. Read more. Here we go. Oh, is this a new program manager? What happened to Amanda? Cool. Anomaly detection algorithm detects there's an anomaly this month. Oh, we've already read this one. Read on. Okay. Here's the full list. New field list. New model view. Apply all filters. Blah, 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 blah. Let's not spoil it. Let's click. The first thing is this one. New field list preview. Unifying the field list across data, model, and report view in Power BI Desktop. This will change consistency for functionality and UI across views. Field lists across data model and report view. Ah, yeah, okay. And address customer feedback and confusion. Yeah, okay. Some of the changes you know are iconography, context menu items. Okay, so yeah, I think this is the thing, right? Old model view, new model view, context menu, unhide, delete from model, collapse all, table view, tooltips. Yeah, it was different. It was different when you clicked on stuff. When you were looking at fields, depending on which view you were in on the left. So I'm glad they're trying to unify that as much as possible. The one that always gets me is edit query. Is this the one that didn't have edit query? And now it does. Ah, yeah. This is what used to always get me. I would go to edit the query in table view and it wouldn't be there, because edit query was only available in the other view. I don't know. This is the one that used to get me a lot though. Edit query. Now I can edit the query from wherever I want. Hooray! Wonder if you can do it from relationship view as well. Probably not. Anyway, there you go. Measures, measure groups. Look at these new symbols. KPIs look like this now, not the little traffic light. Hierarchies look like this. Geo, identity, parameter. I've never seen a full list of these things. Change detection measure. When you configure a page, automatic page refresh, you can configure a change detection measure that is queried to determine whether the rest of the page visuals should be updated. Interesting. Calculated field with an error. Oh yeah, I've seen that a few times. Now it looks like that. Okay. I don't know if I like them better or not. Jury's out on that. They do, I guess they kind of look better side by side, don't they? Yeah, I guess we'll find out, won't we? We'll find out. New model view. Yeah, so this is the new model view. It looks like this now. Yeah, I turned it on. It's like had a toggle at the top of my Power BI. It's like turn on the new model view, and I turned it on. And it looks like this. And I don't know if that's better or not. Do we think it's better? It's probably clearer. Oh, it tells me the storage mode. Is this telling me that the storage mode? Yeah, it's in dual storage or... That's good because, yeah, I think the thing that we're looking at a lot more now is different tables in different storage modes because, you know, building composite models. I think people are a bit more comfortable with direct query and dual storage mode. So that's going to be useful as time goes on and we get more comfortable with that. An error icon. Oh, it's red now. Nice. Oh, that you never used to get an error in the relationship view. That's cool. Okay. Table card tooltips. Table card tooltip. Oh, storage mode. Okay, you get a little tooltippy guy. For direct query, you can see the name of the table, storage mode, type of data source, server and database names. Oh, nice. So anything in direct query is going to be like that now. That's nice. And then you can collapse the cards to make them smaller. Okay, that's fine. Lots of UI type stuff today. Or 5 days ago. Table card properties. You can change how table cards in model view display information with card properties. You can see card properties to make sure you do not have the table of it. Okay. Show the so these are the properties that drive what's in here. Okay. Show the database in the header when applicable. Okay, so now it's giving examples of, you can put the database name in the header of direct query. That's cool. If you collapse the card, you can choose to continue to display key field for that table. Oh yeah, just like 3 fields. Key fields are primary or foreign keys of a relationship. See, that's good because a lot of the time you do just want to see like a mini version with just the relationship. So I'd like to do that for like my dimension tables, for example. Turn on a pin. If you turn on the pin field to top of card, then key fields will be, you can pin, you can choose the ones you pin. Okay, great. Performance improvements. If you have a large model with more than 50 tables, you've probably got a really bad life. We've made performance improvement to the model view. If you have a large model with more than 50 tables, instead of trying to show all your tables and hitting performance errors, Power BI will load and let you decide the layouts you would like to work with. This model has, that's interesting. This model has too many tables. Okay, we need to have a little chat. If you've got more than 50 tables in your data model, I guarantee there's something wrong. I guarantee it. And because there's just, how many contexts are you trying to analyze at the same time? I can't even imagine a use case where you would need to do that. So do your best to break it up into small tables. I know everybody wants to put it all into one table to rule them all, but it doesn't work. You always run into a new question that you are trying to answer that doesn't fit the context of the model. Break up your models, people. Break them up. I don't care what other people say. I say break them up. Small batch sizes. Okay. Apply all filters now is generally available. We are excited to announce Apply All Filters is now generally available. As a refresher, this feature was introduced to help optimize the filter pane for query reduction by applying all filter changes at once. Previously, if you had two options for filter queries: apply basic filters instantly, or add an apply button to each basic filter. Apply all filters. A single apply to the filter. So you hit apply down here. Okay. So you set your filters and then apply rather than go apply, 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 apply. Okay. That's cool. Instantly apply, add an apply button. Yeah. No, you can set this feature at report level. However, the feature will be off by default. You got to turn it on. Okay, so it's in query reduction. Okay. Single apply at the bottom. Yeah, so you can set. This is particularly important for like direct query, right? Because you don't want to be sometimes in direct query especially, you want to set the filter context first and then hit go so that it then applies that one query back to the database rather than you set one filter, it queries the database. You set another filter, it queries the database, right? And so in certain contexts, you might want to set it up that way. That's actually really good. As part of generally available release, we now have to change. You can now change the fill color for the apply button in the filter tab of the format pane. You can almost specifically color the theme itself. Oh, what? Usability. You can now change the fill color for the apply button. What? You can change the fill color for the apply button in the filter. I guess because that's a user experience thing. That it's the user. So one way to think about this filter pane that sits on the right of Power BI is it's like a user. This is your user filters, and so if you've got a particular theme, you might want to change the color of the apply button because you don't like yellow. Wow. Oh, you can change the what? You can change the font color and so you can have crazy, horrible looking apply button stuff, mate. Crazy. Specify the color on the theme itself. There you go. When you customize your theme. Amazing. Your filter pane apply button can now have a different color. We also improved the behavior for clear filter. Previously, if you hit clear filter, the action would be instant instead of deferred, like other filter modifications. Now, when you hit the clear filter icon, you'll only clear the filter when you hit the apply button on the filter pane. So improve the behavior for the clear filter. If you want to clear the filter, the little rubber, if you hit clear filter, the action would be instant instead of deferred. Oh, now you clear it and then apply. Yeah. Okay, so same thing. Visual zoom. Oh, people have been hanging out for this. This is like, I think this is one of those, I think I said this last month. This is one of those features that's been in other tools and everyone's like, we need to be able to visually zoom into our line chart. I don't know. I guess so. You can add a zoom slider to your Cartesian charts. Zoom charts give report creators, consumers, easy way to examine a smaller range of data. I do kind of like that you can go and then it just shows that one. You can enable zoom sliders by turning on zoom, I guess. And there it is, zoom slider. Slider label, slider tooltips, X and Y. Oh, there you go. Okay. Cool. I guess that's only when you're in continuous mode on the X-axis, right? I guess, I don't know, maybe not. That's cool though. Maybe people will like that. Can you do it relative? No, probably not. Data point rectangle select extended to map visual. Data point rectangle selectors. Oh yeah. You can click and drag over a map these days and it selects. Click and drag across your maps to create a selection rectangle, allowing you to easily select multiple points at once. Thank you for your feedback so far. That's great. Preview feature to map visual, yeah. So that's fun. I think it was Christian discovered that just randomly. Well, you got a free upgrade on all of his maps. Certificate revocation check for web connections. We have strengthened the security of web connections to protect your data. However, this means certain scenarios, like capturing web requests with Fiddler will no longer work by default. To enable those scenarios, uncheck enable certificate revocation check in the security. Okay, right. Be aware that unchecking the box will make web connections less secure. Okay, so when you go to web, when you do a web thing, then web. Okay. Paginated report updates. Paginated report sample reports. We're excited to introduce the official paginated report samples for you to download and try. Cool. Learn more, go to the GitHub. Cool, let's open the GitHub. Ooh, look at this sweet report stuff. Oh, here we go. Look at this one. You can have a special invoice, paginated invoice, with all your sweet paginated report. Nice. Labels, that's another good one. Mailing letter, dear sir, you owe me money. Transcript. Active certification program. See, this is what we need for a particular customer. Oh, look at that. Country sales performance. See, people love paginated reports, man. They love them. They love paginated reports. So that's great. And then you can get preview premium, right? For users or whatever. Awesome. Start building a paginated report in a dataset. Download the RDL, blah, blah, blah. You need premium for paginated, so get yourself a premium per user. Search in parameter dropdowns. We have addressed one of the top usability relation to parameter dropdowns in Power BI service, and you can now use a fuzzy text search. Oh, nice. Fuzzy, like paginated report bear, the fuzziest of all paginated reporting bears. To learn more about the documentation, parameters for paginated reports in the Power BI service. That's paginated report bear. That's not Mickey. Loves paginated reports. Is paginated reports bear's name Mickey? I want confirmation on that, please. The question is paginated report bear's name Mickey. Yeah, I'm going to tweet that to him. See what he comes back. You can pass LDL report viewer as page view as part of the URL. Cool. Oh man, got to do more paginated reports. They're so sweet. I usually cheat in Power BI. In Power BI interactive reports. You can easily leverage the Power BI export API. I reckon paginated reports shouldn't be premium. I'm throwing it out there. Because paginated reports are kind of important. And like crystal reports and that kind of stuff. You know, like, isn't that... I think they should rethink the paginated report thing. I know you got to have some stuff in premium, but I'm not sure if paginated reporting is the right thing to have in premium. You may easily leverage the Power BI export API for your paginated reports. Yes. Want to have a Power BI report saved to OneDrive every day at noon as 1DF or different reports. Have a Power App using the Common Data Service and want to print an invoice from it using Power. You can do that now too. Oh, yes. Awesome. Power Automate Actions. Wait. They were Power Automate Actions for exporting paginated reports. Wow. Power Automate is the greatest. Crediting total labels for stacked visuals. Oh, September 2020. We missed a shout out. Poor old Hunter got missed out on. Hunter Hancock. What a name. We missed a shout out of this feature first ship, but the total labels on stacked charts feature was an intern project developed by Hunter Hancock. Thanks, Hunter. Good work, Hunter. We miss... so that was the credit for that total labels for stacked visuals. That total labels thing's actually good. Good job, Hunter. Analytics. Anomaly detection. This is what I'm really here for. Anomaly detection helps you enhance your line charts by detecting anomalies in your time series data. What? It also provides explanation for the anomalies with help the root cause analysis. And a couple of clicks, you can find insights without slicing or dicing. Huh. Since this is in free view, you got to turn it on. Bam. And then what does it do? It says that's an anomaly. It says find anomalies from the analytics pane. And then it says, oh, you can put, there's anomalies all over the shop here. Revenue. That's an anomaly for sure. Once you select the anomaly, it runs analysis. Purchasing date. Revenue was unexpectedly high on Saturday, August 31. Had a value of 5187.633812. Why do they do that? Why can't you just... Seriously. Which is above the expected range of 2447.4662523495367. Possible explanations. Region is West, 75% strength. Age group is 50 to 65. Oh, I'm going to play with this. Promo code is yes. Loyalty card is no. Reservation status is checked out. Status is not cancelled. Brand is Awesome Computers. So the West region went bizarre. Bananas. Wow, we should put this in some cool reports. You can control the fields that are used for analysis by dragging the fields into the explain by. Oh, okay. Explain by city and seller. Show me anomalies. Where is the anomaly? Oh, mate, every sales report's going to have this in it now. Q&A now supports partial matching data values. Q&A now supports a much requested feature of partial matching for data values. Prior update, if you said show me sales for Azure, the question would fail because the actual value is Microsoft Azure. Yeah. This new update will now return intelligent matches for more than... okay. So I wonder if that's going to work or not. Oh, well, that's good. Q&A, the train rolls on with Q&A. Eventually, we're just going to be able to talk to Power BI. Data connectivity, Hive, LLAP. Ooh, you can have a Hive connector. Sweet. Yes, it's a little elephant. Actian, I don't know what Actian is. Anaplan, Starburst Enterprise Presto. Some of these things I've just literally never heard of. Oh, here we go. Actian Avalanche, fully managed platform with hybrid cloud data warehouse. Okay, great. Anaplan, Power BI, user for native friendly for Power BI, allows you to connect to your Anaplan data and models to align yourself with specific KPIs and brands. I presume Anaplan is a brand. I don't know what Anaplan is. Doesn't matter. I hope Anaplan people are excited. Starburst Data provides accelerated data analytics at scale. Power BI Direct Query. Oh, I love a direct query driver. Can be used to connect Microsoft Power BI to Starburst Enterprise. Allows users to connect with Starburst distribution of Presto. ANSI SQL MPP. Parallel, some kind of multiple massively parallel. It's a parallelize. It's a parallelogram. Parallel processor. Massively parallel processing query engine. ANSI SQL, massively parallel processing SQL query engine. That's what I'm guessing what that stands for. Access massive volumes of complex data at the source, consolidated or federated. Power BI leverages a single point of access. That's cool. So if you've got a bazillion rows or whatever, you can use this service and then direct query it. And then you've got like a crazy, awesome, super powerful thing. Okay. Certified and promoted reports and apps. Organizations are increasingly seeking to build a data culture so that they can leverage insights every day at all levels of the organization, according to users with a variety of analytical skill sets. A key enabler for data culture is a pervasive ability of standardized, authoritative data that represents the single source of truth. There it is, people. We finally found the single source of truth, enabling users to make decisions based on trusted data. To encourage the use of standardized data, you can now standardize your reports and data sets and certify them so that you can say that this is a real data set and all that other crap in your Power BI workspace is terrible. So make sure you certify using our certification stamp 3-step process. First, submit your report in triplicate to the BI team. Second, the BI team will run over it with a fine-tooth comb and tell you all the things that are wrong with it. Third, fix all the things that are wrong with it, and we will apply the certified logo. Command and control just became easier for Power BI. As Power BI becomes widely adopted, yeah, this is good because it does get confusing, and they do need ways to organize the workspace-y stuff. Because like anyone can build anything, right? That's what you're letting everyone build anything, aren't you? You're not just restricting it just to the BI team, are you? You're letting other people use it, aren't you? Aren't you? Yeah, I know. I see you. I see you're holding on to your precious workspace, trying not to make a mess out of it. The new look of Power BI service is live. All right, simplified look and feel. That's cool. New visitors. We love visualizations. Here we go. Zebra BI. All right. Look, Zebra BI make amazing visuals. You got to check this out. If you do financially stuff, and then they grow and they shrink, they do cool things, and so check that out. Love Zebra BI. Forecast visual, Predmac, blah blah blah. Okay, the latest update for visuals for Zebra BI. Yeah, get Zebra BI. One-click experience of top end plus others. Oh, nice. Yeah, Zebra BI do cool stuff. Okay. Freeze or unfreeze. Look at this. Look at these things that you can make. Multi-level hierarchical charts. Look at this crazy chart you can make. If you're a financial guy, this is what you want, isn't it? OPEX. Look at all my OPEX-y things. One-click bottom end. Show me all the people who suck. This feature is rolled out across hierarchies. You can turn off top end or off separately. Nice. Analytics pane. One of those Power BI features that gets often overlooked. Useful power. Simple. They will simply add certain calculated elements. Either average, median. Oh yeah, just like bam, bam, bam. Just throw in some stuff. We like that too. Performance improvements. Well, that's what you want. You want good performance. Sleeker access labels. Man, Zebra BI's done a major update. No wonder there's like a whole video associated with it. You can drag Zebra BI, like make these small multiply guys, and then you drag them and they change and do stuff here, like this one. It like shows you the delta Sweet. Oh, you can choose the order in, so the comparison scenario, you can choose the order in which it's displayed. That's good too. Many other important features. Good work, Zebra BI. New visual by Zoom Charts. Oh, I love Zoom Charts. It's a drill down map pro. Oh, what? They've got a drill down map themselves. Everybody loves a map. So it'll be like, oh, you can do the double overlays with custom shapes. We love custom shapes. Oh, nice. Okay. Cluster the data using built-in drill down donut visuals. Oh my God. They've put donut charts on maps. The world is complete. No, I know you could already do that. Donut charts. Oh my God. I want a pie graph on your pie graph so you can pie graph while you pie graph. Okay. Oh, I can put pie graphs on maps. Man, it looks good actually. Looks pretty good. I want all my map peeps. You know who you are. Alice, Christian, Warren. Who else? I want you to give me a review on the map and how does it compare to Mapbox? Because you guys are constantly talking about maps. I want to know if this map is better or worse than Mapbox. I'm guessing worse, but it could be better. I don't want to say anything against Zoom Charts. Zoom Charts are pretty good. Anyway, let me know. XViz scatter bubble chart. Okay, several key features. XViz. XViz, 9 quick start templates. Man, XViz just never stopped building. I guess maybe all these guys that have been building custom visuals are now successful because they're like non-stop doing new custom visuals. Several key features. Robust conditional formatting for outlier detection. Look at this thing. The XViz scatter bubble. Oh, this is like it's showing the map. Oh, that's cool. Rule of 40 line. Wow. You can do all sorts of crazy stuff. It's a super scatter. Scatter bubble chart with custom images. You can show the little logos. Oh, now we're going to see. It's a magic quadrant. Quick, get our Microsoft logo in the top right corner. That's awesome. Bowtie, ValQ, collage by Cloudscope. What's that look like? Show me the collage by Cloudscope. Collage display images in the style of Instagram. Oh, look at that. What? You can do like that or that? Oh my God, people are gonna love this. What format does it need to be in? Is it like a base 64 business? How does it, what's the, display an image, you provide a URL. Bloody image URLs. Okay. I can live with that. Okay, I challenge Alice and Christian to build something with the collage by Cloudscope. Is it licensed? It's probably licensed, isn't it? Is it free? May require additional purchases. Show me some images. That looks good. Drill Down Donut Pro. My favorite. Oh my God, look how long this is. Oh no, we're almost at the end. Developers. Okay, Power BI automation APIs. Yes, this is what we want. Take over API for paginated report data source. The new Power BI API for reports will allow you to transfer the ownership of a paginated report data sources to authorized users who can call the API. Oh, nice. For example, update the details of the data source. You must be the owner. Take over the API for paginated reports will help you take ownership of the source to allow you to update it. Okay. New API will be equivalent to the existing API. Data sets takeover in group. Okay. Fetch more data API. The Fetch more data API enables custom visuals to bypass the hard limit of 30k rows of data when additional data is needed. Oh no. when the new 3.4 API. Oh, this is. I think someone's going to build some crazy visual that does something horrible to your Power BI. Beware. No, I'm sure that's useful. I don't do a lot of custom visual development, so I don't know. I don't know how useful that is. Enhanced testing of your developed custom visuals. We added a new feature that enables developers to override the app source published visual version. New feature that enables developers to override app source publish visual version with local file version in both desktop. This is useful when they want to test or debug. Yeah, so this is, I saw Daniel Marsh-Patrick. I think I mentioned him every month. He posted some stuff on this. He was like, hey, look at this cool thing. Now I can do that. And then, look, I can break my app source visual thing. So if you've got, that's for, you know, when you're developing. Coming soon. Many of you have been eagerly awaiting 2 important features. Small multiples. Oh my god, I'm waiting for that. And composite models over. Oh my god, I'm super waiting for that. Slated for November in our release notes. Taking the difficult decision to push them back to December. Oh my god, we don't get composite models till next month. Okay, that's a Christmas present. You know how I was talking earlier about how you should keep your models small, make a gazillion of them, and then composite them all together. That is my advice to you. Start now, then next month you can implement it. I think that's it, people. We're done. Well done. We made it for another month. See you next time.